Magandang umaga po. Narito po ang mga tampok na balitang sports sa araw na ito. Nagbalik na ang dating bangis ni Manny Pacquiao. Ito ang ipinagmalaki ng kampo ng Pinoy Ring Idol matapos na maging maayos at mabunga ang kanilang training camp para sa rematch kontra undefeated American rival Timothy Bradley. May report si Cristabel De Leon.
Nagbalik na ang dating deadly form ni Manny Pacquiao. Ito ang bantang binitawan ng kampo ng Sarangani Fighting Pride, eksaktong 6 na araw bago ang rematch kontra WBO welterweight champion Timothy Bradley. Ayon kay trainer Freddie Roach, kung dati-rati ay binabagabag ng iba't ibang klase ng distractions ang ensayo si Pacquiao, ngayon ay very positive at fruitful ang kanilang encampment.
Yeah, the thing is, we were fighting in China last time, so we really needed to be there for the time zone, so the adjustment, so for jet lag and so forth. So to get rid of all the jet lag and so forth, we had to come here for a month, and so we were a little bit back and forth, but it was a very good training camp. Partners, and we had a lot of fun getting ready for this one.
Gayunpaman, hindi pa rin nagpapakakumpiyansa sa laban si Roach.
He's still a very solid guy. He's very durable, but he takes a lot of punishment. But I think taking punishment doesn't win fights.
Will we see the old Manny?
I hope so. I think Manny's fired up for this one. I think Bradley pissed him off enough to make him a little angry, and he's a little bit. He wants to prove to the world that he does have the hunger to fight, and he has the killer instinct. Yeah.
Sa mga oras na ito ay paparating na sa Las Vegas, Nevada ang entourage ni Pacquiao kung saan sa Sin City sila magsasagawa ng last phase of training camp. Para sa Good Morning Boss, Cristabel De Leon, PTV Sports.